This vibrant Middle Eastern inspired platter is perfect for gatherings, celebrations or just treating yourself to something special. Featuring juicy air fryer kebabs, golden roasted chicken, potatoes and fluffy rice, all layered over warm flatbread and drizzled with creamy homemade tzatziki. In this video, I'll show you how to make a simple multi-purpose marinade which can be used both for chicken and kebabs. So I started by adding some onions, some garlic, some chillies, tomatoes and pepper into my Ninja chopper, along with my spices, and I gave that a good mix until it was all combined. I also added a little bit of olive oil. I used half of that mixture to marinate the mince and the other half to marinate the chicken. For the chicken marinade, I added a little bit of Greek yogurt just to change the flavour. For best results, leave the chicken and the minced meat to marinate overnight. I really wanted to try this new way of making kebabs. Instead of individually shaping them, I saw somebody on TikTok flatten out all of the minced meat on the tray and then cut them into your desired shape, so I'm going to try that this time. It does seem a lot easier, so I really hope it works. Don't forget to grease the tray and also grease the top of the kebabs. And now for the roast potatoes, I'm just going to peel and cut them. So notice I made one marinade and I used it for the potatoes, the chicken and also the kebabs. The cooking time and instructions are in the description below. It's now time to make my favourite sauce. I'm going to make some homemade tzatziki. Firstly, I crushed some garlic and cut some cucumber. I added a squeeze of lemon, some salt and some pepper, followed by the main ingredient, which is some dill. Fresh dill is always better, but I didn't have any today. And then I added some natural yogurt. You can also add some Greek yogurt to this or full fat yogurt. Garnishing that is completely optional. I added a little bit of paprika and some olive oil. And there we have our beautiful tzatziki that is ready for the fridge. For the rice, I'm going to use my Russell Hobbs rice cooker. I do have a video on my channel to show you how to use this rice cooker. It is the quickest and easiest way to make rice. I added 2 cups of rice and 3 cups of water. I'm just going to freestyle a quick salad to serve with my platter. All parts of the platter are now complete. I'm now going to put the platter together. I hope you enjoyed this quick and easy recipe. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and also leave me a comment on your thoughts. Thank you.